Hello folks, in a previous episode of me trying to make a speed handle for my Kurt Vise over there for my milling machine, this is what I came up with. And if you watch my previous video, you'll know that I completely butchered this. And now that I figured out how to make one, this is just me ranting here, now that I figured out what I did wrong, and now that I figured out how I can get this done properly, I figured out how to make that hole on my milling machine by drilling 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 holes on the edges and milling it across. No, I don't have a CNC machine, so I'm gonna have to manually just like kind of whatever I can in there, but it should work. So now that I know that, I was looking up how to make speed handles. So there's two options. You can make a hole, or you can cheat and use. So I bought one of these. It's a 3/4 inch socket. And I bought one of these ones. 2 Craftsman, they were relatively cheap. This is a deep impact socket, and this is the other one. So I'm gonna, actually, I gotta see if they fit on there. Maybe I bought the wrong size. Who knows? Let me check. Yeah, I bought the wrong size. Anyway. So yeah, it's a 3/4 inch socket. And of course the hole's not 3/4 inch. So yeah. So anyway, I gotta buy the right size socket. I'm guessing it's a 1/2 inch. I don't know. How big is this hole? Yeah, it's a 3/4 inch hole, but why is that? Why does it say 3/4 inch? It's supposed to be a... Yeah, it's a 3/4 inch socket. Well, anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get the right size socket. And what I'm gonna do, if you watch online, never mind, I bought the wrong socket. What they do is they take these, they drill a hole, and then they put them in here, and they press them in. So I'm thinking, let's do the hole next. I don't have any time tonight to do any work on this. I'm going to try doing one with a hole in it, probably over here. I'll see if I can machine this out with a hole in it, which would be awesome. I don't know if I'll be able to do that with a existing hole in there. It's going to be kind of hard to let it out. And I'll try another one like this, and I'll see how that goes. Of course, I bought the wrong size socket, but that's fine. And with that said, there's going to be another video coming up of me working on this. So stay tuned, be patient, and if I don't freeze my ass off in here, yeah, I will be continuing that, because it's right now there's been a lot of mild temperatures lately, and it's been amazing. I've been able to stay in here for an hour and maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, and maybe get cold. That's why I'm wearing a sweater. So I'll probably have it ripped off in my machinery here. So anyway, if you like it, if you keep watching, I'll have another video. Thanks for watching. Toodles.